Hey, welcome back to the Too Fast channel. In today's tabletop review and unboxing, we are going to take a look at a iPhone desktop holder. This is made by a company called Sodi or Sodi, S-O-D-I. This runs for $24.99 off Amazon. There's currently a $5 discount coupon, which brings the price right around the $20, which is what I paid for it. This is a MagSafe phone mount designed for the iPhone 14, 13, and 12 series. And it does have quite a bit of adjustability. It also has the capability of integrating with a Apple MagSafe charger if you have one. And you can also disassemble it and use it with a MacBook or a similar type of tablet or notebook computer, which I'll kind of demonstrate here in just a second. Um, this obviously, we're looking at the box right now. This unit is adjustable and it collapses pretty flat, and it's in this box right here, which is maybe about an inch and a half, 2 inches thick. So if you're going to travel with it, it can fold pretty flat for traveling. It is available in black and silver. The one pictured on the box is silver. I have the black one, which we'll see in just a moment. It does have a bit of heft to it. It is a combination of metal and plastic, and it is kind of weighted, so it's not going to move around your desktop. It has anti-slip silicone pads on the bottom to keep it from moving around or scratching your desktop. And you can also put your iPhone in horizontal or in vertical, and you can just kind of rotate it, so that works out really well also. This comes with a 2-year warranty from Sodi and free lifetime technical support. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the box and we'll unbox it. Nice packaging. It's made in China. Let's see what it says on the back. It says magnetic phone stand, BM-310, a couple different languages, and that's about it. iPhone and MagSafe and MacBook. So we got black and silver. So not a lot to the box, but the box is nice. Got some good information on it. What do we got in the box? We have 2 user manuals. In I think that's German. So we've got a German language user manual, and then we have English, and the English is Chinese on the back. So let's quickly just kind of scan the user manual. You can see this is in its folded state, and you can adjust it accordingly. This picture shows the internal magnetic ring right there that you can remove and install your MagSafe charger, which I will show that. Now this also shows you that the top portion can be removed from the stand, and you can set it on top of your MacBook. This may be compatible with other notebooks. It depends on how thick they are. And this kind of shows the procedure for removing the internal magnet and installing your MagSafe charger. And there's another picture of the MagSafe charger installed and it kind of sitting on top of your MacBook to use as a webcam. So good information, nice pictures, very self-explanatory. This little card just has their website and their email address, a QR code, free 2-year warranty, 5% off your next order if you go and sign up and register your product. All right, so here is the black one. Like I said, this does have some good heft to it. It's got a pretty good weight to it. these are those little silicone pads I mentioned. Now my display area right here is kind of Formica. When I put this down, I mean, I can push this, but it doesn't go very easy. So if you have your phone on a surface like this and you're tapping it or pinching, the holder shouldn't really move around very much at all, which is good. You can expand it like so, and you've got a lot of flexibility. I mean, you could use it like this with your phone mounted here. You could fold this all the way up like so and have it like that. Fold it down, fold this back. Just depends on your viewing angle or how you're sitting at your desk or at your table and what kind of viewing angle that you want. This is the magnetic disc that attaches to your iPhone. Now I have my iPhone 13 Pro right here, and it does have a case on it. Now this case is not a MagSafe case. It has a magnetic ring installed. The Sodi phone stand does not come with any magnetic rings, but let's say you have a phone that's not MagSafe compatible, or you have a case that's not MagSafe compatible. You can buy these rings off of Amazon. You can get them, like here's a white one. You can get them in white. You can get them in black. I have a black one installed on this case. My phone is MagSafe, but this case is not. So that's the drawback of buying a non-MagSafe case. When you want to use MagSafe accessories, you've got to install one of these little rings on it. So this ring, this add-on, stick-on MagSafe ring works great with this stand. You can see it holds my phone great, and you can rotate this if you want to go horizontal or vertical. It works great, and then you can, of course, adjust your angles depending upon what you got going on. And you can see it's real easy just to kind of rotate this, and as I tap the screen, you get a little bit of movement here, but the stand isn't moving on my display area. It's staying stationary in place. So those little rubber silicone pads do a good job of keeping this from moving around. So to remove this, we kind of have to grip it and remove your phone, because it is a strong magnet. We want it strong so it holds your phone, so your phone doesn't fall off. So you either have to pick up the stand and hold on to this to remove the phone, or just kind of grasp it from behind and pop your phone off. Now, like we saw in the user guide, this top piece right here, if we hold this right here, we can pop this piece off. And you can see that there's a lip right there. So for this to fit over a notebook or a tablet, it's going to have to fit within that lip right there. So let me see if I can get a measurement on how thick that lip is. The user manual and the information on Amazon says MacBooks and MacBook Pros, but if you wanted to use it with another tablet or another notebook, that's about let's take measures. Not doing what I want it to do. Let's use something else. How about a different type of ruler here that I can get a better measurement? Well, this isn't much better. I'm gonna have to say apologize if it's not in frame. It looks like it's just under a 1/4 inch or a 1/4 inch. So you would need the top part of your notebook screen to be a little less than a 1/4 inch for this to fit on your notebook, or sit on top of your notebook, so you could use your phone as a webcam. So now if we were going to install the MagSafe charger on this, the instructions tell you how to do that. Basically, they tell you to grip this outer ring and then push on the inside right here. So we would grip this and push. and we can push out this magnetic ring. So the this little it's not a magnetic ring, it's a magnetic puck. There's a little logo right there. Remember, the logo goes on the outside. I don't know if that actually makes a difference. It does make a difference. So if you put this back in, remember the logo goes on the outside, so it will attach to your phone. If you do it the other way, it will not attach. So once you pop this out, you can get your MagSafe charger installed right there, and you've got 3 little recesses cut into the bottom. So depending upon where you're going to plug your MagSafe charger in to the wall, you can have it come out here, or right down the center, or right down there. Also, if I was installing that, I would probably take my cable like right down the center, and I would pull it out the back down this way. That way it's out of the way. Maybe put a zip tie around here or something that kind of provides some cable organization, or a Velcro cable organizer or something. So that's what I would do. I bought this to use on my desk in my workshop, and this might motivate me to actually go out and get the MagSafe charger, so I can just attach my phone and it charges while I'm listening to music, or if I need to answer email while I'm working. I've got everything right there, and it's kind of out of the way. Right now, I use the lightning cable and plug in the phone and set it on the table, and things are always falling over or getting laid on top of my phone. So having something like this, where I can get my phone up away from things and give me a better viewing angle for reading email and what have you, is going to be great. So stay tuned maybe for a future video where I actually buy the Apple MagSafe charger, and I'll do a review of that if I buy it. And I would install it. I'll also do a video installing it on this. And so anyway, I don't have that, so I'm going to put the puck back in. Make sure the logo goes on the outside, and just kind of pressure fit in there, and boom. So that is the Sodi iPhone MagSafe stand, which to me is a great buy for $20. Another great find off of Amazon. And that's going to pretty much wrap up this tabletop review of the Sodi iPhone MagSafe phone stand. I'll put the link for this on Amazon in the description if you want to go check it out for yourself. Anyway, well, thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.